credit and higher education. In today's episode, we'll delve into how credit can be strategically utilized to help you achieve your educational aspirations and secure a spot at your dream college. Education from a prestigious institute is often seen as a crucial stepping stone towards a successful career. However, the increasing cost of education has made it challenging for many parents and students to afford it. This is where education loans can seem like a viable solution for those facing financial constraints. Before resorting to loans, it's essential to thoroughly explore scholarship opportunities, grants, and other forms of financial aid. If you decide to pursue a student loan, make sure to fully understand the terms and consider a repayment plan that is in line with your career objectives. It's also important to carefully evaluate and compare different loan offers, understand the collateral requirements of lenders, and maintain a good credit score, and devise a repayment strategy. In our next segment, we'll discuss how credit fits into your broader financial plan. We'll explore strategies for balancing credit decisions with savings goals and ensuring a healthy financial future. Thank you for listening and stay tuned to become credit smart with CIBIL.